It's a tough mission because you can't necessarily see the enemy. The enemy always sees you. You just keep a very hard target so that when it is time for them to shoot at us, they can't get to us.
First UGL shot at us.
Our overall mission is to disrupt enemy operations.
We'll figure out if we take more contact, we may push to the enemy firing point.
My squad as a whole is very aggressive. It definitely
Uncover to the northwest.
It embodies the whole no better friend, no worse enemy. Because one second these Marines are, shaking hands, kissing babies, generally gaining good rapport with the locals. But at the drop of a hat, these guys are aggressive as can be. They're running across fields, they're making those keyhole shots, they're doing everything that needs to be done in a split second. There's no transfer time, there's no, hey wait, let me get in my groove. It's always the second something pops off, these guys are there. They're always there, they're always ready. But as soon as it's over, they're back to normal.
I laid down in some human
We took some arms fire, we returned fire, we moved on the enemy. It is typical for this Taliban element that's out here right now.
All we end up doing is taking it back. We got room for one.
Took one detainee.
Roger.
He had tested positive for a gunpowder residue test after we'd been shot at. He was also in the vicinity, so we knew that he was around that area, so we want to bring him in for further questioning.
You're not blindfolded until you get him to the truck.
My Marines and I definitely have a very special bond. It started from the beginning. We work together, we play together, and all in all, we trust each other with our life. So we keep that bond. We get on each other's nerves a lot, but at the end of the day, we know that I'm there for them and they're there for me. We're going to push down to another cordon, push down to the compounds, cordon off. If possible, 2 or 3 shooters in there right now. So we're just loading everyone up right now, taking the detainee with us.
Ain't no big deal. The locals just get irritated when we come around, obviously, because 1, we get shot at, and 2, we go through their compounds. Yep. Just another day in Op Box 10.
Right there.